Okay guys, I want to do a quick video on fixing sticky keys on these newer Apple keyboards. This one is the A1644, and the problem with these is the keys are really tough to get off and put back on, and so if you get something stuck underneath one of the keys, you can kind of tell this spacebar is a little bit sticky. I know the 7 key on this one is a little bit sticky. When I got this keyboard, it was really bad. I've actually already fixed several of these keys. But if you have a sticky key, it's really difficult to get it off so that you can clean it like most keyboards, like this one. So essentially what you want to do to fix sticky keys, and this works for most things, like, you know, stickiness kind of under the key as well as smaller debris that may be underneath there. Essentially what you're going to do is you're going to take some isopropyl alcohol and you're going to put it on the keys that have problems, and you're going to work it in and out. And I don't know if the camera resolution is going to be good enough to show some things that just came out from underneath this key. Essentially, it's working like a plunger and breaking up all the stuff that's underneath there. And you want to kind of do it upside down like this so everything falls out. And you definitely don't want to use water for this. You use the isopropyl alcohol because it evaporates super quickly, so it's not going to cause a problem with the keyboard as long as you don't really douse it in it. But you can probably hear it in the video. This is much better already. I can feel that the key is proper now. Now we're not done, but I'm going to do this other key here real quick. This one's actually pretty bad. Okay, so I'm going to work it in like that and do just different angles here. And hopefully this will break up any of the debris. And while the alcohol is still liquid, it will help bring the stuff to the surface. You can see there's some stuff right here that came out from underneath that key. And then I'm going to wipe off everything that I can get out from under these keys with a microfiber cloth. And again, we're not done. Essentially, you still have residue under these keys. And what I like to do is flip it over like this, and I'll just let it dry. For probably about an hour, I'll let it dry like this. You can set it on top of a fan, or if you've got like a Metro vac, you can use that. But I'm just going to leave it here like this to let it dry. Okay, so I've let this dry for a while, just feeling some of these keys. This one is now, you can't hear any of that odd clickiness that shouldn't be there. So we're good on these keys here, which is excellent. And the spacebar feels really good. Now when I got this keyboard, I started doing this to a couple of the keys. Neither of the shift keys worked. You would just press it down and it would just stay down. And so I basically just had to put some of this in there, let it sit for a minute or so, and then try and work it like this back and forth. Now if there is something that's large and is you know it's very hard, like sand or something like that, obviously this method won't work. That will require a disassembly of the keyboard. But this works great for if there's like food or something like that, or if you just want to disinfect it because you bought a piece of used equipment like I did here, and want to just disinfect it. So hope this video helps somebody. I know it's a quick one, but it works really well, and these keyboards are not like the ThinkPads where you can just take them off and clean under them. So this alternative method is really worth its weight. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.